Bullish Star Atlas. Atlas cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.015845 and $0.02993 by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0.012324 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002817. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most current obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by consolidating NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following influx of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the huge bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain components with NFT situated in-game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Atlas? Atlas, a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network, is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, sort out, and battle their direction into neglected territory. Because of this astounding creation, in August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their one-of-a-kind resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Atlas game's universe is immense, and players should go out on forlorn, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outmaneuver different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction in the game. Players can make huge urban communities and private companies, or gather as one, and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to run over specific regions. Players obtain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certified monetary profit to investment. Basic investigation is one issue that should be settled prior to exchanging digital currency. The financial backer can get a sense from a central investigation of what money control and speculative action will mean for the digital currency and how to continue. Specialized examination isn't quite so huge as this subject, which calls for more consideration, examination, and experience than formal tutoring. Star Atlas current cost. Star Atlas is right now worth $0.003521 United States dollars. Atlas has moved 1.58% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $1,337,810. Star Atlas is right now positioned 515 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $34,519,456 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Star Atlas value forecast 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.005282. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.00493 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004225. Star Atlas value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of space for development because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0.008803. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Atlas's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.007042 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.007747. Star Atlas value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.012324 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.011268 and a low of $0.010564 in 2025. Star Atlas value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Star Atlas effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.015845 with a base cost of $0.014085 and a typical cost of $0.014789. Star Atlas value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.01831 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.017606 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $0.019367. Star Atlas value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.021831. In the event that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.022888. Neglecting to accumulate the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.021127. Star Atlas value forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.024648 and a yearly cost close above $0.026409 in 2029. Star Atlas value expectation 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.028169 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of